Welcome in this session. In this session, we are going to talk about a little bit revision of upcasting, downcasting, and then we'll talk about method overriding and polymorphism. And your most awaited question, if you remember, why you are teaching me upcasting, downcasting, right? Remember, last time many people were complaining it.
Yes.
No,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
today I'll give you answer of it. Okay. So let me make a program class, right? My class is animal, right? Eh, and
Yeah.
output of the
Nagin,
program, I'm not here.
This is Nishant.
Oh, Nishan, my dear friends, tell me, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Tell me.
All right, I'm here, just to have some announcement. And can I take you just like 5 to 10 minutes for it?
No problem at all. Go ahead, please.
So I see just we have like 22 people here, right? I
Yeah,
think these people are the serious people that we need until the end of the class. Right, Nagin?
yeah. Yeah, we are
Okay.
enjoying a lot. We are just making, we
Okay.
are entertaining people, right?
Okay. So everybody knows me, right? Here.
Yes.
I
They
think I
don't have
have.
any choice. That's why.
All right, so I think I
Just
have
carry on.
gotten a chance to know everybody personally. So if some of you I haven't met you earlier, this is Nishant Kafle, and I am from Rap3 Tech. I just take care of operations and everything that happens in Rap3 Tech. So if you have any questions regarding marketing or classes or anything, just let me know about it. But today, I'm here to make sure how much you guys are serious regarding these courses. If you guys are just thinking of just coming in the class not learning, then this is not a right platform for you all. Because whenever you are here for the session for like 2 hours, make sure you guys are here with the attitude of learning, right? And I know some of you just just was the class, but never practice or something like that. Don't do that, because if you are here, make sure you learn something. If you have some question, just ask Nagendra about it. And even if Nagendra cannot cover the your queries in the same session, he will be covering on the next day, or maybe on the weekends or something like that. Just hit him up for that. Okay. And another thing is, we people, we just become happy with the temporary things, right? Because I know some of you are working right now, and some of you are wasting your time doing nothing. But make sure if you guys practice, if you guys give your time in these classes for like 3 to 4 months, then your life will be really easy. I mean, if you get into IT, there is good money, right? And if you know these skills, it's gonna be for you forever. So make sure you guys manage your time accordingly too. All right. And another thing is, I have seen like a lot of people joining the class with their phone, not the computer. Make sure you guys join with the computer and also have another monitor on the side. Okay. What happens is, whenever like the instructor is teaching you, if you make notes with the extended monitor, then that's going to be really helpful for you. Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Are you guys getting my point?
Yeah.
Yes, I have question. I have a question.
Okay. Go ahead.
So, for example, for me, I'm a non-IT person, and I don't know how to do the whole double monitor stuff.
What the monitor? You just have to buy one monitor. It's just
Okay.
the extended monitor, right? You just have to have that HDMI cable connected with your laptop, and all the whatever the screen, if on your main computer, it can be shown in another monitor too.
Oh,
You
okay.
can just duplicate the screen. We just need another screen.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I never knew that. I just use one
Yeah,
computer.
yeah, that's how you learn, man. That's what we teach.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, this is just the learning process, right? And
Okay.
even if you have, some questions regarding, programming or whatever, just ask your classmate too, because, they might be more knowledgeable than you. Okay,
Oh, yeah,
before reaching
definitely. Yeah,
out to
yeah,
the
yeah.
instructor, because everybody is in the Slack, right? You can just mention your friend on the Slack group chat and tell, hey, I'm confused on this question. Please let me know about it or something like that. Okay,
Right.
and make a group chat too, just like maybe have like 2 or 3 people added in a group chat, and just work for this thing. Okay, this is how you guys gonna work in future too, right? Because there will be a project. In a project, you are not only doing everything yourself. There will be
Right.
other your colleagues too, right? A lot of developers working in a team. So this
All
is
right.
going to be helpful for you in future too.
All right. Appreciate that. Thank you very much for the advice.
Okay.
So
And
Nishant, are you based on Virginia or?
yeah, right now we are in Virginia, but our offices are everywhere. One of the
Virginia.
offices in Denver, and two of them are in Texas. One is in Irving, and another is in Fort Worth. So, we are in Texas too. So don't worry about the marketing things, okay? Because
Okay.
even we are in Virginia, whenever you have an interview or whenever we start marketing, we don't even care if you give your interview from home or, wherever you are. We just need working computer, which is very fast, and that's gonna work. So don't worry about the marketing process, okay?
Okay.
Right now my main focus is to get you good training, because this is something that you want to sell in future, right? If you give your 100% in 3 to 4 months, and if you learn something, after sometimes if you feel like, okay, rap3 tech is not something, rap3 tech is not from some Referee is not where from where I'm gonna start your career or something like that. If you feel like that, then you can go anywhere, right? If you feel like you can get better opportunity than us, then you are more than welcome to do that too. But right now, 3 to 4 months free, right? You're getting class in free, learning, right? Learning opportunity, you're getting it free. Then why would you want to waste your time?
Right.
Right, you
Right.
you got what I mean to say, right? After sometimes if you figure out this is not something you want to do, or this is not a company that you want to work for, then you are free to go. There is no any contracts. We're not You haven't signed anything. But right now, just focus on study. Because after sometimes, if you ask me something, if you demand me something, if you say me, hey Nissan, I studied for like 3 to 4 months, but you're not even putting me in market or something like that, I have answer. Yeah, you studied for 3 to 4 months, but in pre-screening you failed. So again, study for 3 to 4 months. That would be my answer, right? I'm not. I mean, we don't work like 1 week of training and we'll send you in the job market or something like that. We don't work that way. Maybe you take like 3 to 4 months, or maybe another 3 to 4 months. We don't care, but we want you to be trained. Because business makes money whenever we send you in the market, right? Even if you work for like 1 week, 1 month, we don't care, but we make money that way, right? but the thing is but the thing is, if you develop your skills, and if you are going to be there for like maybe a year or something like that, then it will develop your resume, right? It will develop, it will come in your experience, and after sometimes you don't even need us, right? You don't even need consultancy. You can go from yourself too. So for that, you have to work now. Okay.
Nishant, how do we contact you if we have to, like, if I want to talk to you?
I'm in Slack too, and actually, I have my contact number too. You don't have my contact number or what?
I don't.
Do you mind putting on the chat, please?
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna put it on the chat, but still, I'm always on Slack. You can still
Okay.
text me on Slack, or you can email me.
Okay.
Nishant, bro.
Yes, sir. Who is this?
This is Subha, man.
Okay. So go on.
The thing is, you guys have the Udemy account, right?
Yeah, we do have Udemy account, but
Yeah.
don't ask me access right now, because whatever Nagendra is teaching, just follow this for a while. After sometimes I'll give that access to you by myself. Okay. Whenever time comes, I'll provide that access, because we have trusted Nagendra, and he has been running batches like maybe 30 to 40 batches already. And whoever has done really well in this class, they are working without even taking help of support. So I trust Nagendra. Okay, our whole company trusts Nagendra. So for now, don't worry about other, watching others YouTube video. If you are doing extra work, go for it. Okay, if you are, open to doing that, go for it. But still, trust this process. Okay, trust Nagendra. Whatever he's teaching, if you are doing that every day, then that should be good. Don't even worry about other things. If you
Okay.
are, trying to learn extra, then okay, you can do that. You can research on Google. You can find a lot of resources everywhere. But still, if you have limited time, and if you think of doing a lot of things together, then it's going to be bombarded. So don't do that. Okay, just follow him, and when time comes, I'll provide you all the access. Don't worry about it. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Nishan? Okay. So guys,
Nissan.
let's start. Hey, what I'm saying is you don't need any courses, right? Try to understand. You got a point or not?
Yes.
Mhm.
So the way I'm
Yes.
doing, you just follow me. You don't need any courses, right? And
Oh,
I
yeah.
can, give you the guaranteed whatever in the courses is, they are not going to do the way I'm doing, right?
Yeah. And
So,
another, yeah, pub. So go on again.
no, no, go,
I
go,
think I
go.
already covered the part, right? Whatever you want to say, I think I already said it because this is the experience, right? Because we have like a lot of batches going on and we know what, exactly the project is looking for. What are the technologies like these, in the new projects those people are looking for. So whatever is has been taught in the class, if you are good on it, don't worry about anything. But still, if you need extra thing, I'll provide that too, but not right now.
Yeah.
Okay, when time comes. And another thing is, so another thing, my another agenda is you guys have to be sure. Now the classes has been already run for like 2 weeks, maybe more than 2 weeks, right? If you guys are not sure whether this class is gonna help, or whether you guys are not sure whether doing this Java development or going somewhere or whatever, if you guys are confused, you have to know right away, right? Because what happens is, whenever we listen to a lot of people, we think a lot of things at the same time. Like some of your friends might be telling, hey, QA is really easier than this Java. Then you might think, oh, okay, let me do QA or something like that. Right. If you have those kind of confusion, please let me know. I'll try to, clear these confusions. Or okay, you just
Hey,
have to
boss.
focus on one thing right now.
Do we also have QA classes here? Because one of my friend was trying to do QA, so if we have QA, I could recommend them.
I cannot hear you properly. Can you just tell me one more time?
Talking, dude, are you running QA batch as well?
No, we don't do QA. We just do Java. Java
Oh, that's
forever.
cool. That's fine. Thank you.
Okay. Others? Any questions? So regarding marketing, don't worry, okay? Because when time comes, whenever Nagendra says me, hey, Nissan, this class is going to be for like 1 more month, but still I have these people who are really good, put them in market. So that's gonna be the end of discussion. Okay. Okay, these people are good enough for marketing. I'm gonna put in the market right away. Okay, so I know in some of the consultancy, what they do is they just tell you like 1 week of class and after that marketing. We don't work that way. Until and unless you guys are ready, I'm not gonna put in the market. Okay,
That's
I
good.
want you guys to develop. That's not the attractive scheme. I know. If somebody tells you, hey, I'm gonna market you within a week or something like that, and if somebody tells you you have to study for like 3 to 4 months, so which one is the attractive scheme? The first one, right? So, but that one is gonna be the temporary. I want you guys to have, permanent future, not just for a short period of time. So for that, give 100% on this class. Okay, because I know some of the people are here because of referral, right? Like some of your friends are already working here. Maybe they might be working on for like already 2 years or something like that. That's how you are here. So ask to them too how we work. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
I so don't worry about marketing. We'll get you a job for sure. Don't worry about it. Right now, focus on class. Even if you are free on the weekend, just ping Nagendra and tell him, what are your confusion in any subject matter or something like that. He will assign somebody and just get help from there. Make a group chat. Have one monitor extended. Just do coding. Maybe 5 to 6 hours a day. It will pay off for sure. Because if you do really well in this core Java, whenever Nagendra starts his advanced courses from servlet and all, it's gonna be easier. But if you don't give your 100% on this core Java, and if you just like directly go to servlet, it's gonna be really complicated. Because you saw at first there were like 40 people, right? And some of the people they couldn't do, and I mean they couldn't continue because we thought they were not good enough. Some of the people couldn't continue because they themselves thought this is not something they want to do. But right now we have just 20 to 24 people, right? So you guys have continued because you have believed in yourself, but you need extra push, whether you guys are ready for the extra push or not, because there will be a lot of timings coming up, like, not trusting yourself. You think sometimes, this is not something for you. Whenever you start solve lists, whenever you have some questions coming up, at that time, if you cannot solve yourself, you feel like this is not something you want to do, right? And sometimes whenever like you download some versions of maybe JDK or something like that, and if it doesn't work in your computer, you might think, okay, this is not something you want to do, or something like that. A lot of confusion comes in between. But if you guys clear it up, if you guys push it yourself, if you guys think, okay, whatever comes, I'm going to do it myself, I'm going to take help from people, I'm going to take help from resources, then you can do it. Just think about it. After 3 to 4 months, where you want to be, it's up to you. Okay, so I'm not here, coming and motivating every day. I think, uh, I mean, I come sometimes, but at the same time, if you have any questions, any queries, anything, just let me know about it, or let Nagendra know about it. About courses, about classes, let him know about it. Because if you guys have missed some of the classes about Kurzab or something like that, we have a lot of sessions going on every day from morning to night, maybe 8 9 sessions going on. So if you have miss some part, just let him know about it. You will just share you the link, and you can just be in that class and just cover that part too. And now what good thing Nagendra has done is he has been posting a lot of his classes on the YouTube video too. Just watch over there, you can have some idea, but just watching won't help you. Watch video in one monitor and use your laptop to code. Then only it helps. If you just watch it, no, it's not gonna help. For sure, you have to do it by yourself. Okay, so anything you want to ask about?
So what I'm going to do is, last time we talked about inheritance, upcasting and downcasting. So what is the inheritance? Inheritance is the mechanism through which one class can inherit attribute and behavior of
Parent class.
parent class. You know it, right? So
Mhm.
let's focus on this example, right? This is one of the very important topic which I am going to talk about. I will not tell you the topic. First of all, I will tell you something, then topic will come in the picture. That's my style. Okay. So my dear friends, come with me and try to teach me. Okay. And people who's coming late, please come on time, right? If you're coming late, it means you are not serious. If there is some reason, right? Sometime what happen, you may have some urgent work, right? Sometimes situation is not in your control. I agree with that. Clear?
Mhm.
Why I'm coming on time? You know the reason. Simple. Because again, you are coming on time because you wake up whole night. Simple as that. That's true. That's true. Actually, I'm waiting, right? The moment you come, I can start immediately because I have to sleep. Early I get free, early I'll sleep. Got it? Yeah.
Yes.
So here we have a class animal.java. You see class animal. In this animal, how many behavior we have? Run and walk, right? Any animal can run and walk. That's correct. Animal can run, animal can walk. This class definition is clear to you.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yeah.
So one file is animal.java. Anybody have any question query? Please, if you have any question query, ask right now.
So
No?
Nugget, we can we extend the class to, like, the run and walk, after that jump, or
Can you come
anything
again?
we can.
Can
So
you add
can
more
we?
method?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can add any number of method, man. There is no restriction on it. For example purpose, I'm just doing only two because we don't have space on this board.
Yeah.
Okay. From this animal, I'm making a dog, and here, see, run method is there already. Can you see this? Public void run, right? Definition is, when you are writing a method, there is two things. One is called method signature. Second one is called method definition. You need to understand difference between. Method signature means you are just talking about method name and input parameter of it. A signature means method name and parameter name, method parameter. Are you following me? So guys, reply. You tell
Mhm.
me which part is the signature in it. And the answer is name and parameter is zero, right? That is a part of the signature. Return type is a not part of the signature. Remember or forget it. And what is
Yeah.
definition? Curly bracket open and close is called definition of the method. So regarding method, we have two things. A, in this, what is the signature? Method name and this
Okay.
parameter is a part of signature. So method
Signature.
signature is clear to everybody. What part of the method includes in the signature? Name and
And
parameter.
perfect.
Okay.
And this curly bracket open and close is called definition of the
Definition.
method. So do you understand which part is signature? Signature sometimes it is called skeleton, or sometimes it is called prototype. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So signature and definition is clear.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Normally, when you write the method signature, you write definition as well most of the time.
Mm-hmm.
So see, in this method, in this animal, already we have run method. Definition is there, animal can run. But what we are doing in this, whatever method is there, you see, I'm writing same thing, public void run. So whatever definition is there in the super class, I'm modifying it or not? Oh my dear friends, run method we have in animal also, and run method I have just added in dog as well. So in dog,
Mm-hmm.
if you delete this, run method is there or not? Answer my question. It is there already,
Yes.
which is coming
Yes.
from super class. But you are just adding this again, right? So the method which you have already, but you are adding it and modifying the behavior of it. This
Mhm.
situation is called what?
Overriding.
Method overriding. Wow. So can I say method overriding is the mechanism? Can you help me to write the definition? Method overriding a is a situation, right? Method overriding is a
Situation.
mechanism. Situation
Mm-hmm.
which
Mechanism.
allows what?
Words.
Method overriding is a
Um,
mechanism which allows subclass to modify
the
the
modified
behavior
Behavior.
of the parent class.
of parent
Parent
class.
class.
I'm
Yes.
telling you, in my class, nobody is supposed to remember or mug the definition. You have to just put in your simple
Mhm.
words.
Words.
You tell me how simply I am giving definition of everything. Yes, you know, and this definition is not written in the class, not written on the internet. Oh
Mm.
man, why we should follow the internet definition? Why we should not give our definition? Yes, you know, it's all about experience. Clear?
Mhm.
So method overriding is a mechanism which allows subclass to modify. You see, in run, in animal, right? In parent class, already we have a run, right? Method and
Mm.
definition is animal can run. But what we are doing? We are putting every signature same. See, public void run, right? Everything is same. Only I'm changing the definition of it. Superclass
Mhm.
run method definition is animal can run.
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 Superclass method subclass method definition is dog is running.
Dog is running.
Behavior change, right? This
Yeah.
situation is called method overriding.
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 Method overriding is clear to everybody?
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Can you repeat that again, please?
I'm inheriting some feature of from my parent. Some feature of my parent I don't like it. I can change it. Man, this thing you always do in your real life. You know, mobile phone. In mobile
Yes.
phone,
Yeah.
when you purchase from the market, it has default setting like ringtone, display,
Yeah.
wallpaper. Always
Yes.
it has default setting. When you come at your home, you always override it or not. You say, oh my
Yes.
God,
Yeah.
Yeah.
this ringtone, I hate it. It is very, very irritating. I have to override it. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in real life, you only override a certain thing, not everything, right? There are certain
Mhm.
thing in your life you cannot override it. She will kill you. Okay, you know it. You got it? Means
Yes.
Yeah.
you cannot change it. You have to follow her. Yes, you know. I hope you understand.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think it. I hope nobody's wife is watching this session, right? So, A method overriding is nothing. You would say whatever behavior we have in the super class, if I don't like it, I can modify it. This situation is called, this mechanism is called method overriding. I hope this is clear to
Mhm.
everybody.
Yes.
Yes.
So method overriding is very easy thing or not? Easy, easy, easy. Say yes.
Well, the
Yeah,
definition is
even though it's not easy, say easy to make me happy. Simple as that. Yeah, again, it's very easy. So, but you would say what easy? You would say I don't know, but I know it is easy. Okay, that's great. Oh, guys, can we go with formula, right? you have to follow my formula and you have to give me, you have to predict the output. Can you start?
Okay.
Yes.
Here, you have to tell me the output. Please open your brain and think an answer to me. Here, I'm just making an object of animal, right? I can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Here, I'm calling default constructor because in Java, if you don't write any constructor, default constructor will be given by whom?
Mm-hmm.
Who gives you default
Program.
constructor?
GVM.
Oh, you forget it. Compiler.
The
Default constructor
compiler.
is given by the compiler.
Compiler.
I'll kill you if you forget next time. No. No.
Okay.
So now I want to call my run method, right? So
Mm-hmm.
you follow my formula. What my formula is, left side, I will check run method is an animal or not. Hey, animal. Do you have run method? Animal saying, yes, I have. And if you want to print the output of it, definition, you will see in the right side. Here, right side animal, do you have a definition of the run? It's saying, yeah.
Yeah.
When you call it, it would say animal can
Run.
Run.
run. This is clear or you got super duper confused?
Clear.
Clear.
It's clear to everyone?
It's
Mm-hmm.
clear.
Yes.
Very good. Now, as per the study means previous class rule, in a superclass reference variable, it can also hold object a reference of subclass. Remember or forget it?
Mhm.
Yeah, remember.
This was
Yeah.
called
Remember.
upcasting that we have learned in previous session, right? You see, animal is the papa and dog is the child. So parent class reference A can hold an object of
Subclass.
subclass, right?
Subclass. Yeah.
Now, if you have to call a dot run and follow my formula and answer a question, follow my formula. My formula
Dog
says
is running.
if you want to call a, first of all, you will check in the a left side animal. Hey, animal, you have run? Animal saying, yeah, I have. And definition will come from right side.
Right
Right
side.
side, we have dog. In dog, you will check, hey, where is my definition of the run? Dog is saying, I have here, right? This one. So answer is,
He's running.
Dog is running.
is no confusion as per my formula. This rule is developed by me, honestly, I'm telling you. The way you remember
Mm-hmm.
it, okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What you would say left side, right side. If you say like this, people will kill you. They would say, who taught you this? Left side, right side, you are talking. You would say, this is my formula. Okay, don't worry. I'm just focus on the
Okay.
result. New, you can do bulldog as well, right? Because bulldog is also subclass of animal. Can you see this? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So now come to my formula a dot run. My formula says A will decide run you can call it or not. Go and check in the animal. Hey, do you have run? Animal saying how many time you are asking with me. Already I said yes I have. Now for definition you will go to the right side. Bulldog. Do you have definition of run? Bulldog is saying yes. I'm bulldog. Of course I have. The answer
Bulldog
is
Yeah.
runs faster.
Yes.
bulldog run
Bulldog.
faster
Run
x
faster.
equals to 1092. Right? Hey, this
Yeah.
the way I'm predicting output is clear. Or it's make you confused.
Yes.
It's super
Hey,
clear.
It's
some people, if you confuse, let me know, right? Because it's your birthright, you can ask the questions, okay? Oh my God, what my observation is, same run method. See, a dot run. Oh my God, what I have seen, a dot run. Again, I'm calling a dot run. Can you see this?
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, again I'm calling a. Sorry. Again I'm calling a dot run. What happening, man? This method behavior is changing at runtime or not? Tell me.
Yeah.
This method a dot run. How many time you called at runtime? Three
Three
times,
times.
yes.
Three,
And
three
every time
times.
it's
Yes.
showing different output or not, different behavior. Say yes or no.
Yeah.
Yes.
Time it's saying same A, same run. Oh my God, animal can run. Then it's saying a dog is running. Then it's saying bulldog run faster. Oh my God, this feature in Java is called polymorphism. Oh my God,
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
polymorphism. Let me tell the definition of it. In Java, when a method shows different behavior at runtime, it is called polymorphism. Polymorphism definition is clear.
Mhm.
What is it?
When
When
a
a
method.
method show different output at runtime. At runtime, you'll come to know, not at compile time. Polymorphism is a mechanism where a method shows different output at runtime. Let me write it.
Mhm.
No need to mug it. As per the bookish definition, poly means
Many.
Multi.
multiple. For morphism means form. One
Um,
interface, multiple form is bookish definition, but I hate it. Yep.
Overriding
But
evidence.
polymorphism means when a method shows different
Difference.
output means behavior. When a method
Difference.
shows different behavior
Behavior is time.
at
Primitive.
runtime, don't forget to mention it, not compile time. When a method shows different behavior at runtime is known as Nagendra. What?
Age.
Known as
Polymorphism.
Morphism.
polymorphism. Got it?
Polymorphism.
Known,
Mhm.
known, known as dot dot dot. Because I don't have space. It's clear or you got confused?
This clear.
Yeah.
It's clear.
So guys, I am able to teach you method overriding and polymorphism. Please go
Um,
and do practice 10 times of this program.
I have a
Keep
question.
typing, keep typing, keep typing unless and until it's clear to you. Please go ahead with your question.
So for the like compiler to decide which behavior to so we have three
Come,
behaviors,
come,
three
come.
methods right now, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
how
yeah,
does it
yeah.
decide which one to like execute first, or is it
In which order?
similarly?
No, no. You cannot make the decision. It depends on your programs, right? Right
Okay.
now it seems to be serial, but in real life it is not. This kind of question was always coming in my mind when I was in the college. This I'm just doing is for teaching purpose, but in real life you will never come to know this animal will have dog, bulldog in which order. No, order will not be decided by you. It will depend on the event. Clear?
Mhm.
Hello? You tell me if you
Yes.
are
What?
if you are, let me tell you the good example of when you drive the car, right? Your car will go left, right, forward, backward direction. Who will decide? You will
Yeah.
decide at runtime or compile time. Tell me, tell me.
Sometime.
When you drive the car, you always think, hey, when I will drive the car on the road, first of all, I will go left, right, left, right. Oh man, you cannot decide it. It depends on the situation. Otherwise, you will kill many people altogether, and you'll be in jail. Honestly, I'm telling you. You may be thinking the way I'm teaching you, it seems to be very funny. No, but I'm telling you, it is a fact. It's not
Yeah.
fun.
So another question. How can you make it so that like it won't the method cannot be like polymorphized, or like let's say you cannot um
If you
yeah.
override the method, right, because of
Yeah.
the situation, you can see the polymorphism. Simple as that.
Hey, now
This
again, I
kind,
have to leave.
this kind, just a
And,
second. And
and
and I'm telling you, this kind of situation will come a lot when I will teach you. Okay, I'll show you a lot of real use case of
Polymorphism.
polymorphism. Yeah. Next question, please.
no, 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 again, this is super. I have to leave early today, so I'm gonna watch a video. Okay, so just mark me present. Okay, and again,
Is your request or you are giving command to me?
no, and I'm requesting you, man.
Okay then. Okay then.
All right, I'm
I'll tell
sorry,
you.
man.
No
Yeah, all right,
problem. No
thank you, bye
problem.
bye.
No problem. Okay. Anybody else have any other question query?
I have the small question. In the
You
first,
can.
we have to create the one object. One, two, three, five, six. In the last six line, animal A
Okay.
equals to new animal. Uh, at the beginning, just we write the animal before A. And the second step, A equals to new dog. Then why we are not write the anything before A? I'm
You can
confused
do
on
it.
that.
You no no. You can write anything, anywhere. Are you following me? Here, what we are doing, here we are creating an object of animal assigning to the A, right? Here we are
Mhm.
creating an object of dog assigning to the
Yeah.
A. A is just one variable which is holding the address of different object.
Different,
A
yeah.
is holding the address of animal. Then later here it is holding the address of dog. Later it is holding the address of bulldog. Are you following me? Same variable is holding the address of different object at runtime.
Mm. No, that's not my question. The
Okay.
question is
So I think
why we have to write why we write the animals before A.
This one.
Yeah, this one, this animal. No, in the little left side of, yeah.
That's the type, variable type. I think animal.
No, no.
So I think he's talking about. So in the beginning we have animal A equals to new animal
Yeah.
bracket, but why is like on the next process there's no like animal A equals to new dog parent, because I think the A is
No, no.
already like
A
animal.
is already declared here, right? Variable. A is a variable which you declared already, right? So this variable you can use down the line as well. Same variable I am using to hold all the three objects. This variable is holding animal first, then it is holding dog, and this is holding bulldog. Who's asking this question?
Leknath.
L- This is clear or not? Your question is why I am declaring A over here only, right? Not here, not here. That's your question?
Just I asked why you writing animal at the beginning of A.
Where I should write it? No, no, man. What do you mean by why am okay, I got it. You are saying why because it is super class. Hello? This is super class. A super class you have to write on the top in order to see the polymorphism. I got you. I got it. I got you what you're saying, right? Your question is why I'm creating animal on top. That's your question?
Mm-hmm.
Please, if it is not your question, you can deny it. No problem. Your question
Yeah,
is
this
why
question.
we see animal is the superclass. I know in animal can hold an object of subclass dog as well as bulldog. That's why I'm creating animal on top. That's the reason.
Okay. Yeah, I'm
Okay.
clear.
Okay, guys. Anybody have any doubt regarding method overriding or not? Method overriding or polymorphism. These two concepts are clear, or you got little confused now? Tell me.
Yeah, we are clear.
Clear to everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. So, my dear friends, in this, I have to teach you many things altogether, but I want you should do this much first. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I want you should try this much, and on top of it, I will teach you more thing. Okay. So, you can do the practice of it. How many classes you have to make? Animal class, dog class, bulldog,
Bulldog.
and main. You have to make 4 classes. Okay. Go it and make it and run it. You got this much?
Mm-hmm.
Nagendra, I have a question. So when we do overriding and polymorphism, we always make from the superclass.
Yeah, yeah. That's true. That's true. And in order to achieve polymorphism, you need method overriding. Method overriding means you are trying to achieve polymorphism. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
And I can say in other words, polymorphism is one of the application of method overriding. My question is, can we achieve polymorphism without method overriding? Answer is no, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
In Java, we have two kind of polymorphism. Static polymorphism that is called method overloading, right? And runtime polymorphism that is called method overriding. Please remember it.
Could you repeat one time?
I'm saying in Java, we have two kind of polymorphism. This polymorphism is called runtime polymorphism. What?
Mm-hmm.
Runtime. Are you following
Yeah,
me?
one time.
Yes.
And
Mm-hmm.
we have compile time polymorphism also. That is example of method overloading, right? Constructor overloading, that is example of compile time. Hello.
Yeah, yes, yes.
A method overriding is the example of runtime polymorphism. Method overloading is example of compile time. Please remember it.
Time.
Yep. This is clear or you got confused?
Yes.
Okay.
Could you
So
please show
please,
one example of the overloading?
yeah. Let me tell you. I'm going to show you one example of method overloading. Already we did it in constructor overloading and method overloading is same thing. See, if you want to write a class, I'm showing you the method overloading. Okay. Method.
Okay.
Yeah.
In this, I can write a method. Method name could be anything. Okay. See, I'm just writing a method, public void print, right? And see, in this method, signature is not same. Okay, why? Because in compile time polymorphism, you can write the method with same name. What I said? Hello, method with
Mhm.
same name, right? But
Yeah.
they will differ in terms of number of parameters, same as in the constructor, right? You see, this method is
Mhm.
called method overloading. Why? Because they are differing either in terms of number of parameter or type of the parameter. Got it? So
Yeah.
everything I am doing in the same class, right? No method overriding. So this is the example of method
Or
Overloading.
loading. Nothing. I don't know. You got it or you got confused now? See,
we are on process
no, no. You ask questions, right? Here, here you are saying x is
something.
integer, integer, right?
Mm.
So which method you can call at compile time? It depend on, right? Hello.
Mm. Yes,
See,
sir.
when you are calling it, right? If you pass float, this would be called. If you pass integer, this would be called. This is the example of method overloading.
Overloading.
So method can be overloaded on the basis of what? Two criteria is there. Either their number of parameter. Can you see this? Zero parameter and one parameter. Got it? And in this, one parameter, but their type is different. Can you see this? It is integer,
Mhm.
it is float.
Float.
So method overloading can be done. This is also known as compile time polymorphism. Yes, you know. This is also known as what?
Mhm.
Compile time polymorphism.
So only data types are different, right?
Either data type or number of parameter. You see,
Mhm.
in this we
Yeah.
have zero, in this we have one. If number of parameter are same, their data type should be different. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
don't know you got it.
Yeah.
And return type does not play any role in the method overloading. Remember it, right? If one method is
Mhm.
returning integer and second method is returning, you see, in this, right? If you write one more
Mhm.
method, it is not method overloading. It will give you the compile time error. Public integer print. Can you see this? What
Yeah.
is the difference between first one and this one? Difference is first one is returning white and second one is returning
Integer.
integer, right? This is not overloaded. Why? Return type does not play any role. Are you following me?
Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
I write it? Please mug it. Return type does not play any role. Where? Method overloading. You got it or you got confused?
Yes.
Compile time polymorphism is method overloading, runtime polymorphism is method overriding. So guys, I want you should go and make this program 10 times. Run it and let me know. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
So I need to teach you another topic and small topic. Okay, after that I'll make you free. Fine.
Okay.
And I'm telling you, if you are not getting chance to do the practice, you do it. Okay. Jiten, are you there?
Yeah.
Let me. Jiten?
Yeah, I am here. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, I
so
am here.
Jiten is here. Okay. You guys can do practice with him. Jiten, what you
Yes,
can do is you can help you people to make this program. Okay. Polymorphism, method overriding, right?
yes.
Method overloading. So Jiten is here. You guys can, take his help to do the practice. Okay. I'm telling you, if you are attending my session, not doing practice, you are wasting your time because practice makes man perfect, right? If you want to know how to drive the car, you can learn by just seeing on the internet. And second day you started to drive it on the road. Please don't try it, otherwise you will kill it. You will kill the people. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Not possible. You have to do practice a lot. You know it. What I'm saying is okay. Next topic which I'm going to teach you is final keyword. Which keyword?
And your
And all the keywords are identified. That's correct.
Yeah.
All the keywords
Yeah.
are there. And opposite is not true. No? Please reply. All
Yes.
the keywords
Yes.
are identifier. Yeah. So which keyword I am teaching you? Final keyword. All right. Ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
So first use of final keyword is if you make any variable final, you cannot change its value. Meaning, what is it? If you
Yes.
make any variable final and once you assign the value, later you cannot change it. Public static void main. This is correct, right?
Yes.
Mhm.
And here I can write in string aha. It's okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here I'm just declaring variable integer uh, pa, right? And 100. Hey, can I change the value of pa later? Pa is 100. I want to make it 102. Can I do like this?
Yeah. Please.
Yeah.
Pa plus 2.
Close.
Correct? But
Yeah.
if you make it final here, final means you cannot change the value it. No. Final
Mm-hmm.
means, hey pa, whatever value assigned to you, once you assign, nobody can change it later. No, no, no. This will give you the error, okay? Because it is 100 and 100 is final. Final means once you assign the value to it, you can't change it. Got my point? So this
Yes.
will give you the error. Why? Why error? Because
Already constant.
pi is final. Got it? Hey, anybody have any confusion?
No.
Final means once you assign
Final.
value to it, later you cannot change it. This is acting as a constant in other language.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, is clear or you got confused in that? Anybody have any confusion?
Oh, that's clear.
Hello? Another use of final is if you make a class final, nobody can extend it. Class, you can do anything, whatever you want to do, but you cannot inherit it. Suppose we have a class KIT, right? And in this we have a method public void wow, right? And there is a definition of it. How does println? I am happy. Hello.
Yeah.
So my question to you is, if you make it final, right? So you can make the object of it, you can make a reference of it, right? But
Change the value.
you cannot inherit it. No. If you're trying to make a class, uh, class name is magic, right? And can we do extends? No, no, you cannot do extends. Why? KIT is saying I am final, nobody can inherit me. No, no. KIT can we
Mm-hmm.
inherit? Answer is no. KIT, please. What's reason? KIT here
Is
we
final.
can't extends. Why? 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 Since
I'm final.
since
Since.
KIT here, let me write a comma. KIT here we cannot extend it since it is final class.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? You can make the object of it. You can do anything, man. Can you make the reference of it? Yes. Can you make the object of it? Yes. You
Yeah.
can do everything, but you cannot inherit it. Got it?
Yeah.
I don't know. This point is clear to everybody, or there's little confusion.
Yes. Okay.
Confusion?
Yeah.
Final variable value you can't change it. Final class you cannot inherit it. Similarly, we have a final method, right? Class mocha. In this class, we have a method wow, but it is final. You got it? Final
Mhm.
means method is final. Class you can extend it, but method you cannot override it. You got it?
Okay.
What I'm
Yeah.
saying is
So, sir,
final means
so it basically means like you use it for something permanent that you don't want to
yeah,
change.
permanent, permanent. Yeah, yeah. String is one of the example of final classes. Final means this class nobody can modify. It is fixed, permanent. Somebody is saying correct.
Mm-hmm.
Got
Okay.
it? Final means you
Very
want,
fixed.
nobody can change the definition of it. Fixed.
Oh.
Final means this method definition is fixed.
Mhm.
This Method. Let me tell you, when you purchase a mobile phone, right? Can you change the color of it?
No.
No, that color is final. This method definition is fixed. Means nobody can override it. Means no one means subclass, right? No one can override it. Confused? Are you following me?
Yeah.
I'm
So I
following.
have done
Yeah.
the use of the final as well. Okay. So people, if I tomorrow I'm planning to teach you what? I'm planning to teach you abstract keyword and interface, and tomorrow most probably oops will be finished. Okay. So just stopping my session here, and next session we'll learn next thing. Thank you so much.